¿Qué huele, amigos? Today we're going to talk about modules and how modules works in Spanish class. So we're going to go to modules. And in modules, you will see several different modules throughout the year. Right now, there's only one because it's the beginning of the year. And you can see on the right side of the screen, on the right side of your module, there's maybe a minus sign and some blank circles. You might also have some check marks. Okay, a blank circle means it's missing. A minus sign means it's missing as well. Okay, anytime you see either one of those, that means you have something you need to do. If you see a check mark, that means you've already done it. So first things first is at the top of the module, we have a little guide to help us understand what each assignment is. A fire or a flame is a calentamiento or starter. Books are referencias or references. A pencil or una lápiz is practice or práctica. And then a check mark is assessments or evaluaciones. Okay? Right underneath that, we have our expectations for the current objective that we're working on. And then after that, we have some dates. So first we have January 19th, then January 20th, then el 21 de enero. So when you're working on modules, this is what we're doing each day specifically. We're all doing it together. So if you're in class, a lot of the times it'll be something that we did together in class, and I only put it on there as part of the module so that for those of you who are not in class can check it out. You'll see, for example, the first day of school, there were some things here that we did in class that aren't required for the module because I know most of you are doing it in class. At the bottom of the module, we have a section called Aprendizaje Individual, or individual learning. Soon in class, we're going to be splitting up into groups of 4, and some of you guys will be working with me on something, while the rest of the class is working on aprendizaje individual, or they basically have individual learning time. And while you are working on your own, you're going to be working on this section of the module. You'll have several days to work on these items to complete them. For example, we're starting these on January 26th. We're starting these on January 26th, and they're not due till January 29th. So you have 3 or 4 days to complete them. On this section of the module, it tells you what you need to do to get credit for them. So on these first 4 assignments, you need to score at least an 8 out of 10. And then on this last one, you just need to submit the assignment. You'll see over here on the right, again, you'll have blank circles or minus signs. All of these need to have check marks by the 29th to count this as done. If you're working at home on your own, maybe you are quarantined right now, you should be working on this section a little bit every day and trying to get it done in the same amount of time as us. And that's all. Ciao.